Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make fried pickles. First thing you want to do is get your ingredients ready. Get 2 cups flour, 2 cups water, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. You want to mix it all together until it's well combined. Now you can add spices if you want. You don't want to add too many because they can burn. So you always want to be careful when you're adding spices to the batter. You want to take your pickles and drain them from the liquid and pat them dry with a paper towel so they're not super moist when you add them to the batter. You want to make sure they're fully coated with the batter. Warm them down a bit. Now, some of the batter might fall off. That's fine. You just want to fry them in the oil at 375 for like 30 seconds to a minute until they're nice and golden brown, like so. Now we're doing the chips. And the same thing, you want to pat them dry so they're not excessively moist when you add them to the batter. That way the batter sticks better. And again, you just want to do it till they're nice and golden brown, about 30 seconds to a minute at the most. Now my camera did overheat, so I couldn't finish showing you chips, but here you go. You got some fried pickles. Now I do hope you enjoyed the food, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.